I'm just using. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. So today I'm relaxing my hair. Okay, it's about time. So as always, there's noise in the background, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover in this whole video. I have no choice, guys. I have no choice. Please stay tuned. Even my dog is making noise outside. Ah! Okay, so I'm done preparing this side. Just gonna do it here. So I just want to show you real quick how I do it. Yeah. So let me show you guys real quick what's inside here. We have the neutralizing shampoo. And then the relaxer. We have a set of instructions right here. There's also this. It is, I don't know what's this called. A wooden something. Yeah, into gloves. This is the thing, man. What am I doing? Yeah, to mix. And then we have these. Okay, the purple one is a live-in moisture strength style. I think you put this when you're done with everything. It's a live-in. Yellow one, I mean orange. Restore treatment, moisture, a recharge with restoring oils. Okay, it's a treatment. I think you put this and then you rinse it off, just like a deep conditioner. And then the cream activator. Got two of everything. And that I'm just gonna apply my petroleum jelly on the perimeters of my hairline because I don't want to bend my forehead and stuff, so I gotta do that. So I'm gonna put this all around at the back, in my ears, all those areas that I don't want the relaxer to actually burn me. That's where I'm gonna put it. So let me read this real quick and then I'll be back to start the process. Hey, I'm back. So it's a retouch, but I'm gonna use everything. So I've opened the activator and now I'm just gonna squeeze it in and then gonna just stir. Love this. I hope I opened the right thing. Hey. So I'm gonna apply the relaxer on the new growth, and then if there is still some relaxer left, I'm gonna apply it to the rest of my hair, because you know we want it to be straight. Look at this.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So I got me a plastic spoon because a metal one, I don't know about it. They say they don't want metal things. So plastic spoon is just enough. I must say this smells very strong. So you gotta be careful when doing this at home. Okay? You gotta be careful. So I'm just gonna continue to stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. Stir, 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 stir. Until I feel like it's enough. It smells so strong. I feel like I'm gonna burn myself today. Honestly. But you know what? Let's see. Let's just go for it. Let's go for it. You see, the noise is better now. Way better. It's time to start. So I'll be just looking at my mirror right here. Yeah. I'm just gonna start here going down and then here going down, and after that I'm gonna do this. It's thick. I like the color, very pink. So let's start. And now I'm about to actually put it on the roots. And it's gonna touch my scalp and show you what I'm trying to do here. So I'm just gonna untwist this strand and then thoroughly apply the relaxer. I'm gonna open it up and thoroughly apply the relaxer. Okay, so I'm done with the parts and now I'm at the front, so it's easier to do the front because I can actually see it. My phone was out of storage just now, so I had to delete an app, but this is how we are looking like. You see how I put it, and then now it's time for smoothing. I'm gonna use this comb because I don't want to use a rated comb. Yeah, so I just want to comb here at the root You know, I can feel the relaxer, especially at the back, because that's where we started. I feel the relaxer at the back, and also it's burning me here in my ear. So let me see, let me just wipe that off, because it's burning my ear. Just gonna wipe it and then apply this petroleum jelly. It's literally burning my ear. My ear is on fire. So I'm gonna continue smoothing it real quick. This is how we're looking like. We have 4 sections. And then the back. I don't know how the back looks like, but I just hope everything is good. That's how the back look like. I did apply the relaxer on my previously relaxed hair. So my phone was out of storage again. So I just deleted Instagram and Facebook because I'm going to reboot it anyways. And I'm gonna have to reinstall the apps. So I've deleted the majority of my apps because it keeps on saying my storage is full. Mind you, I'm not even using 4K to record. I'm just using HD. Okay, so one thing about the relaxer, it gets so stiff. Even though it's not that burning, I feel like my hair is relaxed. I don't want to wait for that burning sensation before I relax, you know? After finishing this part, I'm just gonna go ahead and relax. I mean, wash. After this part, you see how I do it? A section, then I comb all the way. And then again, section, then we start to comb. I might be combing it wrong, but it's okay. This is how you're supposed to comb your hair. You start here, at the ends going up. That is the right technique. But because we are rushing, it really doesn't matter now. Way too long to apply the relaxer, and now I don't even have time for it to sit a little bit. But since it's not burning, I suppose I can just stay a little bit, you know, just move around and get my water ready, of which it is already. So I don't know. But I'm gonna wash my... I feel like I should go and wash it because it strictly says 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. And we have been over that. So let me just go and wash before my hair starts falling off. Okay, so this is the final results. I love the way my hair looks and feels. As you can see, it is properly relaxed. It still has some texture. Because my hair is very stubborn, okay, when it comes to relaxing, it's very stubborn. But I'm happy because the new growth is flat. Okay, so let me show you guys the back. The light is actually reflecting on the mirror, so sorry for that. But this is how it looks. This is how the hair looks. Yes.